How to make money online right now with no experience. Well, check out this website. It's called paidwork.com. And you can do this from anywhere. Just check it out. It says it right here. Make money online on your phone, computer, tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. So you can do this laying on the beach. All you got to do is come up here and register. Once you register right there, then hey, then you come down here, and you can. It says it's flexible. You can get paid a full time or additional jobs for all people in every country. You can make extra money on any device with access to the internet. That's what we're looking for, right? That's what you asked me for, and this is what I'm giving you. This is what I found that's going to be the easiest, and you can start making money right now. All you have to do, because everything, just like it says, everything is under your control. All you have to do is figure out what you want to do. Do you want to play video games? Now, come on. You know your kid does that stuff all day long, and you can't get them off of it. So, you can get paid for playing video games. You can do surveys. You can watch videos, shopping online, and then creating accounts. I said, what do you think? You think you could do that for some extra money? If you just did it part-time, maybe once a day, a few times, you can get up to 150. But if you do it where it's you're doing it full-time, hey, there's no limit. Right there, it says it right there. There is no limit of your earnings. You can make as much as you want. Depends on how much time you want to put into it. But let's just say maybe this ain't what you're looking for. Maybe you have an idea, and maybe you got something you want to sell, or maybe you want to start your own little online shop business. Like, you can go to Shopify, and you can start your online business, like your little store. If you want to build a store, maybe you got products, maybe you got stuff at home that you've been dying to clean out your closets for years, and you got clothes in there that are basically new, and maybe you want to start selling that stuff, with your own little shop, and you want to build one. You can build it right here on Shopify. Shopify is probably not my first choice, just because I know it's well known. Everybody likes to use them. They got great stuff, great support. But to me, when you're on a budget, and say you're just trying to clean out your closets, and in your kid closet, you got a bunch of stuff you want to try to sell, it's a little pricey. This is monthly. Remember, that's monthly. But if you wanted to do it yearly, you would save a little bit more money. But you do get a lot. You're going to get your own sales funnels, your store, points of sale. You're going to get your 24-hour support, that kind of stuff. But it's probably not, Shopify is probably not my first one. If I was, just getting into it, I'd probably look at Weebly, because, it's a little cheaper. Well, it's a lot cheaper. And they're basically the same thing. They're an e-commerce store. But the difference is, it's the monthly bill. When you're on a budget, and and you're literally cleaning out your garage or your closet, and you want to build a store, and you want to grow it into something, then and you are on a fixed income or something, then look at the price difference. $26 a month if you paid by the year. If you just paid by the month, it'll be $29 a month. The other one was $2.99. So that's a big savings for what you probably spend close to a year or 6 months. That's one month over there on Shopify. And Shopify is a good platform. But if you're on a budget, you're counting pennies and stuff, when you're just getting started, you kind of want to shop around and see where you can get the best bang for your buck. And right now, this is a pretty good website to use as far as building your store, getting everything you're going to need and support, and get it out there as quickly as possible and start making money. As you see, you get your e-commerce stuff, and you're going to get, your shopping carts, your unlimited items. You're going to get your digital goods, coupons. They take PayPal plus credit cards. You're going to get your SEO, lead capture, Instagram feed, pop-up notifications. This thing does a lot. You're going to get your support. You get phone support, email, and chat. And they have a free one, but it might not be everything that you can try the basic user, and just to see. Then if it's something that you think, hey, I can do this, but let me scale it up a little, then hey, you're going to get all this stuff here. You'll get your shopping cart, your unlimited items. You're going to get your quick shop, inventory management, coupons, and then you'll get your SEO, lead captures, Instagram feed. And instead of having phone support, you'll just have to chat with them online. But it's still a good way if you want to start making money online and you just don't know. Or, maybe you're into blogging. Maybe hey, I'm a writer, and I want to start my website, start blogging. I like to travel. Say maybe you like to cook, then, or you like working outside in the garden. Well, hey, you can build your website. I would use Bluehost because not only are they great, their customer service is second to none. You know, um, and they do so much more than just domains and websites. They can help you with your marketing. Also they can help you with your SEO. A lot of people overlook Bluehost just because they think they're just a website, WordPress domain, and they don't think about, they never thought about really what else they can do to help your business grow. And right now they got a good sale on, but if you're a blogger and you can also use them to promote your other stuff, maybe you want to use them to promote your goods, the stuff that you want to sell. It's, they can do whatever you need to. Uh, but yes, I would definitely not overlook Bluehost as far as, if you want to be a blogger and, if you like to travel and take a lot of pictures, you can post all that stuff and then you can make money that way as being a blogger. The other way that's probably most popular is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is where you're taking someone else's product and you're promoting it. They'll give you a special link, and you can post it on social media. You can do email marketing with it. You can put it on your website and promote it that way. But all you're doing is driving traffic. And you got to remember, there's no customer service, there's no shipping, there's none of that headache stuff that you would deal with if you're trying to do an e-commerce store where you're got to deal with shipping and all the headaches and returns and all that stuff. Affiliate marketing is all you do is driving traffic. Once they buy it, hey, you're done. You get a commission. It's over from that point on. But that affiliate marketing is probably one of the easiest ways to get started. So, and if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, don't forget, I'll leave a link below and you can follow it. You'll get training, get your mentor, you get all that. So just remember, Don't forget to hit subscribe, the like button, the little bell icon so you get all of my weekly notifications. And I'll see you next week.